So today was earnings for Netflix, and if you guys have been watching my most recent videos, you guys would have been able to take this trade with me. I really hope you guys took this trade with me because we are sitting up really heavy on profits right now. One of my favorite websites to use is Earnings Whispers. So if we go to earningswhispers.com, we just put in NFLX. I'm gonna kind of like walk you guys through this entire trade. You know what I was thinking, what time I placed the trade, when I placed the trade, and then take it from there. I mean, of course we were expecting beat, and we were expecting Netflix stock price to go up. So we saw this growth. That came out. If we go ahead and put NFLX, currently after hours market, it's sitting at $323 per share. It closed at $307 per share. I actually got $306 per share. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys why. We're up about 5.21%. We made a 5.21% return on this trade. Now, I've been telling you guys for like the last couple weeks, Netflix. We are going to be trading Netflix. We're not going to be looking for anything else. So we were trading Netflix. We had it on our radar. Some of my guys got it at $275 per share. I didn't get it at $275 per share. I actually got in way later. So with the day on Netflix, I was watching like the 4-hour chart this entire day. I saw it go up, sitting right here, this entire doji. I saw it start up here, saw it drop. Now right here is when I started to notice, okay, you know what? I need to go ahead and I need to look for an entry on this. So when I saw price come up here, and let's say I went back to the 4-hour chart, at some point during the 4-hour chart, this entire candle was red. So this entire candle was red. And I was trying to get it as close as I can to this level right here. Right there. So when the market was going, I was like, you know what? I got 2 hours. So about 12 p.m. here in California. I was like, no, 11 a.m. here in California. I was like, you know what? 1 p.m. is when the market's going to close, and then after hours trading. I have to get into Netflix before then. I already knew based off of all the financials and what I was looking at in terms of earnings, annual and quarterly revenue and growth, I knew that Netflix was going to go up. So with that being said, about 12:30 or so, I decided to pull the trigger on Netflix. Said, you know what, guys? I just entered Netflix. I told all of my members of my group, sent it out to the alerts as well. I just entered Netflix. So if they took the trade with me because I took it, then everyone's sitting on some deep profits. But this was a trade that I've been saying for a very, very long time that we're going to make a lot of money off of. So Netflix came down, boom, closed at about $307 per share. But right now it's sitting at $307.60 it closed at. But Netflix is currently sitting at $323. Now there's a couple things we can do. You can see after hours trading right now, sitting here, just instantly shot up right after earnings. Now it's trading a little bit lower. Hopefully we can see it go back up to about $328, $29 per share. I mean, the 52-week high is $333. Are we going to break that previous all-time high? I would love to see that. In a whole year, it's moved about $138 to $333 per share. That's a pretty big difference in there. But Netflix, this is really hot. If you guys want to learn how to trade these, just go to Earnings Whispers. You guys got to be big. It's earnings season right now. We're making a lot of money in my academy. You can even see what's going on this week. Amazon.com. I'm probably going to trade Amazon too as well. I really like Amazon stock. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with everything. So expected quarterly earnings, quarterly revenue, expected annual earnings. I'm not really too worried about, actually I am a little worried about that part. Expected quarterly revenue, expected annual earnings. That's pretty good as well. I'm going to keep my eyes on this. I would like to keep it close to one of these pivot levels before. I personally told myself I'm not entering Amazon until 1,300. If Amazon doesn't get to 1,300, then I'm not taking a trade at all. But just so you guys know, this is the Netflix trade that we took.